Hi guys, I'm here to do a video, obviously, and this is the Bajan or Barbadian tag, accent tag. So let me tell you how it goes. So basically, I have like a list of words I'm gonna call, so you can kind of get a sense of how our accent is and how we call different words in Barbados, and And then I have a list of questions, 10 questions, which I will just answer, so you kind of get a sense of what we say and how we refer to things down here, But anyway, so let me get started. I'm going to start with the words and then we'll go on to the questions. First word, let me just not say first word, let me just do all the words one time. Ant, route, wash, oil, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, fire, water, shore, data, ruin, crayon, toilet, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, caught. Now those are the words. Now let me move on to questions. There are 10 questions. So, questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? Okay, well, I don't know the name for it. I can't remember the name for it, but I think there is a name for it. I think so. I'm not really sure. But that never happens in Barbados. I've never heard of it happening in Barbados. I've never seen it before. That does not happen down here. Well, as far as I know. And I would just call it toilet paper in a house. Like, that's just the simplest thing to call it. I don't really know the actual word for it, but yeah, I'll call it that. What is that bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball? Okay, now, I do not know the name of that bug, but there is that bug when I touch it and it curls into a ball. But I don't know the name. But I know the bug you're talking about. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? That bubbly carbonated drink is called a soft drink. Down here. And what do you call gym shoes? We call gym shoes softwares or sneakers. Most of the time we call them softwares. What do you say to address a group of people? Okay, I would say, if I see a group of people that I don't know, obviously I would be like, I don't know, that group of people, they are them people, like, okay, like, that's my accent, like, my dialect. I would just say that group of people out there, that group of people across there, are them out there, like, yeah, that's basically it. What do you call the kind of spider or spider-like creature that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? We call that a daddy long legs. What do you call your grandparents? I call my grandfather granddad, and I call my grandmother granny or gran, but most of the time granny. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at a supermarket? We call it a trolley or cart, but most of the time we call it a trolley. It doesn't really matter because we call it both, trolley cart, whatever. What do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? Down here we say that Satan is either beating or fighting with his wife. I know, it's kind of weird, but yeah, we say that down here. When the sun is shining and rain is falling, yeah, Satan is beating or arguing with his wife. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? We call it a remote. Remote control, a control, remote. Anyways, so yes, that is it for the tag. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did, and I hope you kind of get a sense of how we do things down here. Yep. So bye.